Welcome to Frankfurt, a city brimming with captivating attractions and hidden treasures waiting to be explored. From enchanting museums to stunning skyline views, here are the absolute best places to explore. Number 10. Frankfurt's Old Town Center. Old Town Center of Frankfurt, a place where history comes alive amidst stunning architecture and vibrant attractions. This enchanting quarter, nestled on the northern bank of the River Main, is a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists. Immerse yourself in the rich heritage of this city as you wander through its iconic buildings and immerse yourself in its fascinating past. Marvel at the reconstructed half-timbered structures that stand as a testament to resilience and restoration after the devastation of World War II. Whether you're seeking a leisurely stroll, a shopping adventure, or a moment of relaxation with a cup of coffee, Old Town Center has it all. Delve into the archaeological gardens where remnants of a Roman settlement whisper tales of the past, and witness the grandeur of an imperial palace that harkens back to the days of the Carolingians. Number 9. Senckenberg Natural History Museum. Senckenberg Natural History Museum in Frankfurt's Senckenberg Gardens, a haven of discovery and wonder. Step into a realm where the mysteries of our planet's biodiversity and the evolution of organisms come alive in breathtaking displays. Be awestruck by Europe's largest exhibition of magnificent dinosaurs, their life-size replicas creating the perfect backdrop for a memorable family photo. Marvel at the world's most extensive collection of stuffed birds and delves into the fascinating story of human development. Engage in captivating English language tours, or embark on a self-guided adventure with audio guides at your disposal. Expand your knowledge through educational workshops and enlightening lectures. Take a moment to relax and refuel at the bistro. And don't forget to explore the souvenir shop for mementos of this incredible journey. Number 8. The Hauptwache. Hauptwache, a captivating blend of history and modernity that beckons both tourists and locals alike. Prepare to be enchanted as you explore this bustling pedestrian area where every corner holds treasures waiting to be discovered. Indulge your senses with a shopping extravaganza, finding delights for every taste and style. Treat your palate to a culinary adventure with a myriad of eateries offering tantalizing flavors. As you step onto the plaza, be mesmerized by the grandeur of the Hauptwache structure, its striking red sandstone exterior and iconic three chimneys captivating all who behold it. Legend has it that even the esteemed Johann Wolfgang Goethe was fond of this magnificent building. Today, Hauptwache stands as a vibrant meeting point where the spirit of the city comes alive. Number 7. Eschenheim Tower. Eschenheim Tower, a magnificent testament to Frankfurt's rich history. Erected centuries ago in the 1400s, this towering structure proudly stands as a reminder of the city's ancient walls. With its soaring height of 47 meters, it commands attention and reigns supreme over the charming Eschenheimer Gate district. Venture inside and be greeted by a delightful surprise. A cafe restaurant that promises culinary delights amidst an atmosphere steeped in nostalgia. Explore the tower further and you'll discover meeting rooms abuzz with the chatter of local historical societies, breathing life into the past. And just a stone's throw away, the stock exchange awaits, an architectural gem built in 1879 and proudly holding the title of Germany's largest. Prepare to be captivated by the blend of history and modernity that awaits at the Eschenheim Tower and its neighboring stock exchange. Number 6. Sachsenhausen. Sachsenhausen, a lively district in Frankfurt that promises to delight your taste buds. Step into a world of indulgence as you explore this vibrant neighborhood, renowned for its sinful pleasures. Treat yourself to a glass of the iconic local drink, Apfelwein or Ebelwoi, a refreshing apple cider with a crisp and tantalizing flavor. Stroll along the charming cobblestone streets, immersing yourself in the lively ambiance and savoring every sip of this beloved beverage. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious newcomer, Sachsenhausen offers a delightful escape where you can enjoy the liquid delights and embrace the vibrant spirit of the town. Join the locals in raising your glass and celebrating the essence of Frankfurt at this dynamic destination. Number 5. Jewish Museum. Jewish Museum in Frankfurt, a window into the rich history and vibrant culture of the city. Step into the Museum Judengasse, a remarkable collection of artifacts that offers a glimpse into the captivating world of Jewish culture spanning centuries. As Germany's oldest major Jewish museum, it plays a vital role in preserving and sharing the Jewish heritage. With two wings located in different areas, both beautifully illustrate the intricate relationship between the Jewish community and the local residents. Admire extraordinary artworks, including masterpieces by renowned painter Moritz Daniel Oppenheim, and explore compelling documentary archives. Immerse yourself in the depths of history as you uncover stories of resilience and survival that resonate throughout this remarkable museum. Number 4. Schirn Kunsthalle. Schirn Kunsthalle, a true haven for art enthusiasts and cultural explorers in Frankfurt. Step into this architectural marvel where creativity knows no bounds. With its impressive array of over 240 exhibitions, this esteemed venue offers a captivating blend of contemporary and historical masterpieces that will leave you in awe. Stroll through its expansive galleries, each filled with carefully curated artworks that tell compelling stories and ignite your imagination. From groundbreaking installations to thought-provoking paintings, the Schirn Kunsthalle showcases the diversity and brilliance of the art world. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy that permeates this cultural hotspot as visitors from around the globe gather to appreciate the beauty and significance of each exhibition. Whether you're an art connoisseur or simply someone who appreciates creativity, a visit to the Schirn Kunsthalle promises an enriching and unforgettable experience that will expand your horizons and leave a lasting impression. Number 3. Eiserner Steg. Eiserner Steg Bridge, this iconic landmark, steeped in history and industrial allure, beckons you to explore its enchanting surroundings. Take your loved one's hand and savor the awe-inspiring views of the Museumofer in Manhattan, creating the perfect backdrop for a romantic adventure. Since its construction in 1896, this iron and concrete footbridge has captured the hearts of thousands of pedestrians daily, seamlessly connecting the vibrant city center to the charming Sachsenhausen district. As twilight sets in, the bridge becomes a symbol of love, adorned with countless padlocks bearing the names of devoted couples. And as night falls, the bridge illuminates the cityscape, casting a magical spell that enchants all who witness its radiance. Prepare to be swept off your feet and create cherished memories on the captivating Eiserner Steg Bridge. Number 2. Goethe House. Goethe House, the birthplace of Johann Wolfgang von Goethe in Frankfurt. This meticulously preserved dwelling is a testament to the enduring legacy of one of history's most celebrated writers. Step inside and be transported back in time as each room whispers tales of creativity and inspiration. Admire the exquisite details of the dining room and envision the masterpieces that were crafted in the beautifully adorned writing room on the first floor. This captivating sanctuary beckons to all who appreciate the power of words and the allure of literature. Whether you're a devoted admirer or simply curious about the life of a literary genius, a visit to Goethe's birthplace promises an experience that will ignite your imagination and leave you in awe of the literary world. Immerse yourself in the ambiance of Goethe House and be inspired by the legacy of a true literary luminary. Number 1. Mainkai. Mainkai, a hidden retreat just beyond the city's hustle and bustle. As you meander along the riverside, immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring panoramas of shimmering waters, towering skyscrapers, and majestic bridges. Mainkai is a haven for couples seeking a romantic getaway, especially during the enchanting seasons of spring and summer. Take leisurely strolls hand in hand, cherishing every moment amidst the idyllic surroundings. Delight your taste buds with culinary delights at the charming cafes and restaurants that grace the area, relishing in exquisite cuisine while basking in the captivating views. Mainkai invites you to surrender to relaxation, forging unforgettable memories and capturing timeless snapshots of the river and city skyline on clear, sun-kissed days. Let Mainkai be your oasis of serenity and rejuvenation, where the world fades away and tranquility reigns supreme. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.